What are automated plant watering systems?
The automated plant watering systems are modern devices that monitor and water your plants without manual effort. They use sensors, timers, and sometimes Wi-Fi connectivity to ensure your indoor plants receive the right amount of water at the right time. These systems take the guesswork out of plant care, making them perfect for anyone interested in a smarter home.
Key components: sensors, controllers, and pumps.
The core parts of a smart watering system include moisture sensors that check soil wetness, a controller that decides when to water, and a water pump or valve connected to a water source. The sensors continually measure soil moisture, providing data to the controller, which then triggers watering as needed.
How moisture sensors work.
Moisture sensors detect the amount of water in the soil by measuring electrical resistance. Dry soil resists electricity, while wet soil conducts it. The sensor sends this information to the controller, so the system only waters when the soil is actually dry, preventing both underwatering and overwatering of your plants.
Smart features and app integration.
Many automated systems come with smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and app controls. This allows you to monitor moisture levels, adjust watering schedules, and receive alerts from your smartphone or tablet. Some systems even integrate with smart home platforms, letting you control everything with voice commands.
Installing your automated system.
Setting up a self-watering system typically involves placing the sensors into the soil, connecting them to the controller, and attaching the water line to the pump or valve. Then use the app or on-device settings to choose your preferred watering schedule, or let the sensors automate the process for you.
Benefits and considerations.
Automated plant watering systems help keep your plants healthy, save time, and reduce water waste. They're especially useful if you travel often or have a busy schedule. However, it's important to check compatibility with your plant types and to occasionally maintain the system to ensure everything works smoothly.